Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Make sure that you like this video and stay tuned for more. Okay, so let's start by adding in our Versagel. I am not going to use a lot because this is a custom order. I had someone tell me they wanted a clear lip gloss that had a lot of gold glitter. I said, okay, well, let's have a little bit of fun. So we added a lot of gold glitter and a little holographic glitter, little blue glitter. And so we're just going to see the result of this. And I did add in the oils of my choice. And so I'm just mixing, and it's really pretty. I really like how it's coming out. I think I'm going to name it Gold Grenade because I feel like it's like a bomb lip gloss, a bomb gold lip gloss. So then I did add in, you can see the holographic and the blue in there, so I love that. And then I did add in flavoring oil. I think I used watermelon or strawberry. Either way, it was a red flavoring oil, and it kind of made it a little bit pink. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after adding in the flavoring oil, which it was still super cute. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I didn't make a whole lot. But I really like this, so I may add this one. And when I gave it to her, she really liked it. So I think I may make more and add it to my website. And so this is just me filling my tubes. And like I stated, I didn't make a lot of it. As y'all saw, I did not make a lot of it. And that little bit made 2.5 tubes of lip gloss. And so if you ever are filling your tubes and then you run out of lip gloss while filling tubes and you don't have any more to fill your syringe with, you got two options. You can pretty much either sit that one to the side, and whenever you make more lip gloss, go back and fill that one again. Or like I would do, I kept it for myself because I like to try on my own lip glosses to make sure I like them. And so this is me cleaning my tubes, and I'm going to clean them and I'm going to put them in here with the rest of my lip glosses. And I did make some new labels. I'm showing you my new labels. I'm going to make some that are like just a gloss. This was a matte, and I did get that by mistake, but I bought it, so it's mine. So we're going to deal with that for right now. And this excludes those air bubbles, but I'll fix it later for the sake of the video. I just wanted to show you guys. And this is the finished product. I love it. Look at it. It looks so bomb, right? So I am going to show you guys how I am going to get my PR package, or how I package for sending items to my people who are on my PR list. So I didn't see a lot of videos about this, so I decided to do that because I was like, what are you sending them? How do you send it? Like, So it's actually Valentine's Day, so this is a little more Valentine's Day thing, but I thought that was very sweet, like to send them a Valentine's Day gift almost. But it's kind of before Valentine's Day, but you get what I'm saying. Like, you catch my drift. So with that being said, we will be putting together a PR box together. And if you have more questions about PR, let me know. I know that, like, when I was looking for stuff, I wasn't really able to find what I needed. So I've said so many times. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I wasn't really able to find what I needed when I was looking for it. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I can actually do a real sit down and talk to you about PR searches and how it should go and things like that. Because when I did my search, I don't know. Yeah, I'd rather talk about that later. But yeah, so we're going to put this together and let's get started. Video. Okay, guys, so I got this cute little Valentine's Day box at Michael's, and you know Michael's always got a sale. So they have like a 40 or 50% off of all Valentine's Day items. So I got these little boxes. I was like, oh my goodness, I think my people will love this. Which I still am looking for people, but you know, I'm constantly adding people onto my team. So right now, the people that I just added are going to get Valentine's Day stuff. Or themed. I'm not going to say stuff. They're going to get themed, Valentine's Day themed boxes. Which I am big on themes. Like y'all saw how I was packaging for Christmas and stuff. So, I don't know. I just think it's cute. So, little whites. Little pink. So it's red, white, and pink, which is very Valentine's-y. And I know it's getting messy, but I kind of want to mix it up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That's good. I think that's cute. Okay. So, pause. Okay, so I'm gonna put a pair of Saint lashes in there now. Y'all know that I usually take it out of this package. This is usually the package that it comes in whenever you order, like, you know, in person, because I do have ways you can shop with me in person. So, and this is my favorite lash box. Y'all know I have temporary lash boxes, so when I do run out of these, I can use those. But which, let me show them to you really quickly. This is just one. It don't have any labels on it right now, but this is just one of my temporary ones. But I'm gonna, for PR, because I know that this is my box that I usually advertise, so this is gonna be the one that I want my PR person to advertise. So I'm gonna put those lashes in there. Well, I'm not gonna put those in there first. So I do have these, and I know that I am working with an Aquarius, and it is Aquarius season right now. So happy birthday, boo. And then obviously I want my people to try out my lip gloss, give me their feedback. I do make my lip glosses on here, so I like feedback. So I like when you guys comment when I'm making my lip glosses, if you like them. So obviously this is a red that I have made. It's not on my website yet because I do want some feedback first. This is the red one I made. And it's not on my website because I do want some feedback first before I put it on my website. And then this is a brown one that I made. And again, it's not on my website because I'm wanting some feedback first before I put it on my website. And it has like gold sparks and things. And then this is y'all know this is on my website. Now this one is on my website. This is my Stardust lip gloss. I was getting really good feedback on this one, so I did put it on my website. So I'm not gonna put them in there like that, but yeah. And so when I'm sending my package to my PR people, I do like to package it properly, you know, like how I would want it to be packaged if I was sending it to someone that doesn't normally purchase with me, obviously. So I really don't want to put any additional confetti in there though, because I've already put some confetti in there. So I ain't gonna put no additional confetti, but I put it in this little baggie. I'm not gonna put any additional confetti in there though, because I think there's enough confetti already in the box. And then y'all know these are my ring sets of gold. These are actually bigger for bigger hands. And this box is going to be for someone who does have a bigger hand. So I do need somebody to promote these obviously. So I put these also in one of these little baggies. And I tie back. Well, I close the bag. I don't really tie my bags. I just close them because they're cute like that to me. Piece of confetti. Try to say that confetti, girl. So move this down where y'all can see it. This is my PR box. This is the PR box. Oops. And then, wait, that's not all. Okay, so I bought these thank you cards a very, very long time ago, like literally before. I bought these at Target, and I bought these before I think I ever even started my business. And it ended up still being the same color. And I never used them for whatever reason I was buying them for. I decided not to use them. But they end up being the same color in my business. So they're white, pink, and gold. Which my business, I think the pink is like a little darker than my pink, but still serves a purpose. So I like to handwrite messages for them. And then it have these envelopes. So you know, I'm gonna actually put it in the envelope. Before video purposes, I would put it in the envelope, put their name on there, and then was this everything I was going to send? Yes, this was everything I was going to send. Put the top back on there, and this is their PR package for Valentine's. So I like my people to be more like my family. I'm a really like family person, family oriented, I guess you would say, because if we cool, you family. If we friends, you family. Like, you family. So if you're on my PR team, you're family. For the most part, I mean, as close as we can be, miles and miles away. But yeah, so when the box is open, I like to show y'all. I think that it's very important to know how a person gonna feel when they open the box. So obviously when they take this out and they see that it has all these hearts and red, it's gonna be cute. But open the box, it's gonna have name here. I'm probably gonna most people put the card to the side first, so they might read the card. And then this is gonna have much more than I even said I was gonna send, because I like to do surprises. I'm full of surprises. And yeah, boom, here we are. This is the PR package that I am sending out, and I'll be making another one. I just wanted to go ahead and, because I got these boxes, so I am doing that. And I don't think you guys have to really watch me do it 100 times, but yeah. And I kind of customize them a little bit. Some people like to send out the exact same thing to everybody at the same time. I kind of like to customize mine a little bit. Now, if it's something that I'm really wanting promoted, everybody will get the same thing. But you can definitely look at your person and tell what's best for your person, to me, I would say. Okay, y'all, so thank y'all so much for watching my video, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Oh, and make sure that you do go check out my glasses. These are now on my website. These are the pink ones, these are the clear ones, and these are the shades. So they are $15. They're now on the website. Make sure that you do go and check out my Instagram page, shop.leamore, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know more, let me know. Y'all stay blessed, and I love you guys. Bye. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I love you guys. Stay blessed.